Hey guys.
Hey guys.
We are somewhere on Highway 92 in between Delta and Carbondale. I'll ping it for you guys. This is absolutely gorgeous country through here. Yeah, we're gonna run across this road before anybody else comes. Wow. So, sorry we didn't check in very much yesterday. Yesterday was really stressful. For now, we're gonna check out Hayes Creek Falls. Just happened to catch it. There was a waterfall here.
Always looking for a sweet escape. Always looking for a new direction. Always searching for a brighter day. Thought we wanted life to be perfection. Hey, no, no. Hey, no, no. Hey, it's just a grand illusion. No matter what, we still get through it. 'Cause it turns out we're superhuman.
What's up, guys? It's been a minute. Yesterday didn't have too much going on. Went through Aspen. Ended up going through Independence Pass. Headed on over to Leadville. And then we ended up going to Holy Cross. Trail was too crazy, so we turned around, back through Leadville, over to Frisco, found a hotel, stayed the night for our anniversary, went out for dinner. Now today, I'm just not in a great mood. All these parks are reservation only and can't get reservations for weeks. And it's stupid, so trying to make the most of it, trying to get into a better mood. So we're here on our way up to Guanella Pass, just next to Georgetown. I just happened to catch a cool waterfall. How about I climb the waterfall? What do you say? Let's try it.
Keep dancing with the baby, there's a lot of that.
Mount Evans, here we go.
On this part of today's adventure, we finally were able to drive to one of Colorado's 54 peaks that stands over 14,000 feet, or as locals call them, 14ers. Mount Evans Scenic Byway is located 60 miles west of Denver off the busy I-70 near Idaho Springs. This stretch of asphalt is the highest paved road in North America. Heading 14 miles up the mountain, we will gain nearly 9,000 feet of elevation to the 14,264-foot summit. As we mentioned earlier in this video, it's been difficult to get access to certain parks here in Colorado with limiting visitor restrictions. Luckily, we were able to get an online reservation for a time slot with decent enough weather to drive to the top.